Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rita Diamond. In today's episode, on this video, I'm going to be showing you on how I make $50 per day just by receiving video calls. Yes, have you guys heard about the website that pays you by receiving video calls? This is not a regular website, and I bet most of you might have been on the website, but you haven't received any video calls. You haven't received any tips, and you haven't received any earning from that website because of the fact that you were not enlightened on the procedures, you were not enlightened on the way to do it, and you were not enlightened on the secrets behind how to make that dollars on that website. The beauty about this website is that you as the receiver will be the one to set your price range. Yes, and I mean it. You'll be the one to set how much you want to be receiving per minute on that website. Have you guys heard about rentacyberfriend.com? Some of you have heard about it but haven't received video calls like I do for like 3 months last year. Please stay tuned while I show you how to register, what to do, and what not to do. Please, as you're watching this video right now, do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like the video so that the algorithm might boost the video for other people to benefit from this earning platform. Rent a cyber friend. Are you passionate about anything and looking for ways to earn money on the side? Then Rent a Cyber Friend is for you. Receive video calls from callers who want you to engage on what matters to you both, which I'm going to explain as we go on, and from anywhere in the world. You get sign up, you update your profile and wait for approval. Approval can take up to 2 to 3 hours. Then you had your interest, then you had your pay rate. Now you're going to be the one to put how much dollar you want to receive per minute on the website. You can also grow your website by sending your links to followers, but there's nothing like a referrals. Here on this platform, there's nothing like referrals, and you're not going to pay for registration. It is all free. Yes, it is all free. Cyber friend requirements are an opportunity for everyone, irrespective of your age, for everybody. No degree and certificates are needed. You must have a good internet connection and a camera. You can use your smartphone. I use my smartphone. You have to be passionate about what you do. You must be up to 18 years and have a good smile and be friendly. Make deep connections with callers and get paid. You are going to be doing instant video calls. The website is very secure and private with an end-to-end encryption. You must have a good internet connection and a camera and a smartphone. Yes, payment is per minute with a 20% platform fee. What I mean by that is, you as a cyber friend, you will be the one to set how much dollars you want to be receiving per minute, ranging from $0.1. You can put $1, you can put $2 per minute. You can set it at $0.50, $0.20 per minute, depending on how you want it. 20% platform fee is that the total amount of money you've earned on that platform. If you want to withdraw it, they will debit you 20% from that earning. You can also withdraw the balance of your earning via bank transfer and PayPal. Now you are going to input your first name and your last name and your email address. Please try as much as possible to input your correct name and your correct email address so that they are going to send you a notification when your profile is being approved. Then you create your password and click on submit button. Here you log into your Gmail, you input the code sent to your Gmail, you click on submit code, click on confirm your email address to get started. Here you log in with your email address, password, then you click on login. Let's get started, guys. Here on account information, your information will be displayed. You can see the name we input there. The one you can change here, you can change your public last name. You can actually edit that public last name. Yes, you click on accept calls. You can see that we've not yet filled up those informations. Upload a profile pictures. You can go to this site, select image and put your preference profile picture, the one that is catchy, the one that your smile that can attract audience to your profile. Then you select your interest. You can select anything. You can select 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 more interests depending on what you want, and put your price range per minute. You select your language, English, Spanish, any kind of language you speak, you can select it so that to get your preference prospects. Look at the dashboard. This is dashboard. Right now you have not yet been approved, so that is why the dashboard seems like that. So let's go back to the profiling. You can see the one you inputted, it has been displayed, English language. The profile picture you inputted has been displayed. The friendship I selected, and I've put the price rate. You can see I put 0.50 per minute. You can edit it. Let's see, if you want it to be lower, you can put 0.40. You can see on the practical aspect. If you want to put $1, depending on that, even if you want to put $2 per minute, you can see per US dollar per minute. Anyone you want, you can select anything, any amount you want. If you want to add more to your interests, you can click on okay, relationship, music, anything you want. Put your price, click on saved. It will be displayed there on your profile. You can click on social links, which is optional. You can input your Facebook handle, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, website on it, but it is optional. You might decide to leave it blank. Anyone you want, you can input it. That is for the social link. Here is the call history. You can see it is blank because we have not received any call yet, and our profile has not been approved. Wow, by the time a caller called you and liked the way you interact with him or her, he or she can decide to tip you, which means that he can decide to just tip you some dollars. Yeah, it's going to be displayed right here on tips. Another aspect of this is that if you don't find the caller interesting, you might decide to block the user from reaching you. Here you are going to seek for withdrawal of your earning. So withdrawal takes 1 to 3 business days. Once it is approved, funds will be sent to your chosen withdrawal method. Is it that through PayPal that you choose, or through bank transfer? But don't forget that 20% will be debited from that total earning. This is accept calls. You can see we've not been approved yet because this profiles, I'm using it for an example. Once you're approved, as you're watching this video right now, do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like the video. Profile has been approved. This is how it's going to look like. So here I extracted my own profile to show you how your profile is going to look like when it is approved. So you can see I click on accept calls, leave this page like this to receive calls. You can see your next call could be just around the corner. Remember, keeping your profile online increases your visibility to potential callers and help you appear higher in search engine. This is how you're going to leave your profile on so that you can receive calls. I'm excited now that our profile has been approved. So let's go ahead and click on accept calls to start receiving calls and start our earning journey, guys. It's as simple as ABC, but do not forget that consistency is key. Keeping your profile on is very important. I'm going to show you in a glance one of my withdrawal, then one of the calls that I have received. Last and foremost is you're going to need a VPN. Yes, you're going to need a VPN at the minute you're registering. You're going to need a VPN, and we have so many free VPN that is online. The one I'll recommend for you right now is Windscreen, because I've been using Windscreen for up to 1 year now. You understand? So during the course of a registration, you're going to need a VPN. When you're logging in on that website, you're going to turn on your VPN because of your location and accessibility. That is why I said, if you listen to the video very well at the first, that's why I said there are a lot of people that are on this particular website and haven't received video calls because of their location and inaccessibility. Yes, quite all right, you can register, but you won't receive video calls. But with VPN, you can do that. In as much as you're logging on that website, you're going to turn on your VPN and it's free. So what are you guys waiting for?
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.